July the 8th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. A new tropical depression to talk about in the Gulf of Mexico. I'll get into that here in just a moment. And some gradual weather changes taking place. What a scorcher we had yesterday. A lot of folks in the Piedmont, the Sandhills, exceeding 100 degrees for high yesterday afternoon. If you weren't there, you were at least in the upper 90s, and that's the case even right along the coast yesterday as well. It was a day of very oppressive heat, but kind of desert-like heat, still very low levels of humidity. That's changing today. It's getting muggier out there. You'll kind of notice the difference in how it feels. Now, these are the temperatures at 5 a.m. Still a lot of pretty significant warmth all across the southeastern part of the country, and a number of sites looking at temperatures still in excess of 80 degrees across the southeast and the southern mid-Atlantic, even at this early morning hour. The radar imagery relatively quiet across our area. A couple showers and storms offshore with a coastal low that's moving our way, and also some showers and storms associated with the new tropical depression down in South Texas. These scattered showers and storms from the Great Lakes and the plains are with a cold front that's moving our way. So today, the main influencing factor over our area is this upper level low that's backing westward. Notice this trough in the northern plains. That swings into the eastern part of the country this weekend, and that'll drive a cold front through on Saturday. And then it looks like we might try to get back into some higher levels of heat and humidity by the end of next week. This is way out Friday the 16th at actually 8 o'clock in the evening. All right, let's go now through the modeling. This is the NAM. I think it's doing a better job on the 0Z cycle than the GFS. And I do think late today there could be a few isolated thunderstorms out there. But the better chances being the closer you are to the coast. Most Piedmont spots probably staying dry, but a few isolated storms a possibility. Better chances tomorrow as this cold front gets a little closer, so some scattered showers and storms tomorrow, and then Saturday, this is now the GFS, I do think a pretty good coverage of scattered showers and storms Saturday. Today, highs mid to upper 90s, probably low to mid 90s tomorrow, and then a lot of folks may stay confined to the upper 80s on Saturday due to more cloud cover and those scattered showers and storms, but then that front scoots southward. Some drier air works in. It looks like dry weather with lots of sun Sunday and Monday, highs mainly in the lower 90s, but then moisture returns by Tuesday, and it looks like Tuesday onward next week, the chance of a few of those late day showers and thunderstorms. All right, our tropical depression number 2. Let me see if I can illustrate this for you. The center of the depression is right about here. At the time I'm cutting this video during the 5 a.m. hour, about 150 miles or so east-southeast of Brownsville, Texas. And this is taking a track pretty similar to Alex. It'll be a little farther north than Alex's track. There's the clustering of the computer model guidance, and this is going to wind up pretty close to the Rio Grande River as we go through the next couple of days. Landfall will be this afternoon. And this will wind up bringing a lot of rain to exactly the places that don't need it. A lot of folks that saw heavy rain with Alex will get some pretty good rains with this one. Now, at the moment, there's not a lot of deep convection near that center. If it can fire and sustain some deep convection in the hours here prior to landfall, this system could become a tropical storm. The National Hurricane Center is still forecasting that. And if the system does become a tropical storm, the name will be Bonnie. But either way, this is a short fuse system. The system will be inland later today and, of course, deteriorating with an inland rain threat then as we go through Friday and the weekend. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful Thursday, and God bless.